Good morning students, my name is Poonam Sharma. So today let us start our mathematics class. I am going to start our chapter multiplications, that is chapter 4 multiplication. So before starting the multiplications, I just want to tell you about tables. Tables are must. If we doesn't know the table, then we can't solve any sum of division or multiplications. Then firstly we will start our table, concentrate on our tables. Hope you should learn at your home, revise the table thoroughly. So let us start dosing table. Dosing table and cutting tables are same. So let us start. 5 3s are 2 6 are and 4 7s are, then 3 4s are. So see, these are dosing table or cutting tables. 5 3s are 15 or 3 5s are same, it's also 15. 2 6 are 12, and if we are repeat 6 2s are, again it come 12. 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 3 4s are 12, and if we do in a change the order, 4 3s are also 12. These are called dosing table. If we know, we learn and practice these dosing tables in a daily, we give the practice, then we easily learn how to multiplications. So next, multiplications. I will tell you what is multiplication. So see this multiplications. This is the sign of multiplications. This is the sign of multiplications. For examples, I have write this one of the statement, 14 multiply with 3. So what is multiplications? Multiplication is the repeated addition is called multiplications. But before we do this simply, these numbers are having simply name. So first one is called multiplicand, and this digit, down one digit is called multiply. The answer is called product. So these two multiply problems are called factors. Again I repeat, this is the multiplication, this is the sign of multiplications. When we are multiplying these two problem sums, these numbers are called factors. This first one is called multiplicand, and the down one digit is called multiplier. The answer is called product. So hope you understood this thing, the name of this first digit, second digit, and the answer is called product. In an easy way, if I tell you, when you go to a store to buy a product, so you know from where from these products are made. Yeah, sure, that product was made by a factory. Same as these products are made from these factories, so that it is called factors. So now multiplication is the grouping or repeating addition is also called multiplication. See, here is a grouping and additions of multiplications. If you have seen this chart, see here, how many groups are there? There are 1, 2, 3 groups are there, and each group there are two dots. So if we are addition it, then two dots are there, then again add 2 dots, then again add 2 dots, it will make 6. Repeated addition is called the multiplications. So see, here is a 3 boxes, and in each boxes two dots are there. So according to repeated addition, 2 plus 2, again add 2, it will make 6. But according to multiplication, so count the firstly box 1, 2, 3. There are 3 boxes, and how many times each boxes has 2 dots, then multiply 2 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Then come on this second box. There are 3 dots in each box. So 3 add 3 add 3 is equal 12. So in a multiplications, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there, and in each group there are 3 dots. 4 3s are 12. So see one of the more example here. These are the group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups are there, and in each groups there are triangle. In each group, in each circle there is a 3 triangles. So again add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3 is equal 18. So in multiplication we count these boxes. There are 6 boxes, and in each boxes there are 3 triangles. So 6 multiplied 3 is 18. Then 3 digit without carrying. Multiplication without carrying. So this is multiplication without carrying. So I will take 3 digits. Let me 3 multiply with 3. This is the sum without carrying. 3 3s are 9. Good. And 3 1s are 3. Very good. So that's why I tell to you, if you know the problem, you can easily solve these sums. So 3 3s are 9. So this is our sum is complete without carrying. One more example I will tell you. Two 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. These are the sum of without carrying. So with carrying, multiplication with carrying. So for this, this is the sum with carrying. So 4 3s are 12. So already we know 4 3s are 12. So this 2 is in the place of 1, then we will write this 2 in the place of 1, and this one is carry on the tens place. Okay, then this 4 is the multiplier, this we multiply with this tens place. 4 4s are 16, and this one we add 16 plus 1 17. So what we write here? 7. Good. 7 we write here, and this one will be carry on the 100 place. 4 6 are 24, and this one we add, it will make 25. So 5 we will be right here in the place of 100, and this 2 we will write in the place of 1000. So this is our sum with carry.